Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem of keeps closing on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps closing on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you click on Snapchat and you will enter here in this page. You will click in this window. Sorry, we go to Snapchat. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click manage storage because that can delete your data. And in the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait 3 seconds to turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have on Snapchat. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time.